Today, in this tutorial, we will see how we can arrange or sort the worksheets in Microsoft Excel using VBA macro programming. I will even explain you the code line by line, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. As you can see that I have few worksheets and they are randomly arranged. What we want to do here is that we want to arrange these sheets alphabetically in ascending order. To do this, we will need to write a small VBA macro code. So let's open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will write our code. Since I have the code already copied in clipboard, I will just paste it here, which will help us in reducing the video length. This is the macro code that will do our job. I have also provided this code in the description box below. Now let us understand this code line by line. The first line here is just a comment for us to better understand what our macro is supposed to do. Then we have started our macro with name arrange sheets ascending. You can have any name you prefer to. Setting screen updating to false will help us to speed up our macro code. Although we won't be able to see what macro is doing, but it will run faster. We have declared 3 variables here as integer, which we will be using further in this code. We have stored the sheet count in our first variable sh count here. Further, we have started a loop which will run till I variable reaches to 1 less than the total number of sheets, and the next loop will run till j variable reaches the total number of sheets. So now we have 2 variables I and j, which can be used to refer 2 consecutive sheets which we can compare. In this line, we have checked if name of sheet referencing j is less than the name of sheet referencing I. Then in next line, we have moved the later sheet before the prior sheet. We have closed the logic with and if and both the loops with next j and next I. Lastly, we have set the screen updating to true so that we can see the final result by our macro, and finally closed our macro with and sub. Okay, let us do one more thing. We will copy this entire code and paste it again below and modify the function name from ascending to descending and change this less than sign to greater than sign. As a result of this, we will have 2 macro functions. One will sort the sheets ascending and other will sort them descending. Now since we are done with our code, let's close this VBA editor and return back to our Excel sheet to test our macro code. To run our code, we need to press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. You can see our both macro code names are available here. Before we execute this macro, have a look at the sheets. These are randomly arranged. Now let us run our macro. Just click on the name and hit run. You can see here below all our worksheets are arranged alphabetically in ascending order. Now let's run our other macro. And this macro has arranged the worksheets in descending order. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.